Yes, hello, welcome again to my channel. So after that, after the grocery, this is what we got. We have strawberry jam, and then chocolate spread for the kid, and then another blueberry jam, and then because we're gonna have pate, we have also the bread. This one is ano daw, chocolate sour bread, and sour bread, I don't know. And this one bread. So we don't have baguette today for the pate, but this one is also good. And then we have cornichon or the jerkins. We have butter, and then this is the meat. We have tenderloin, and we have pork belly. So now I'm gonna do the, what's this? I'm gonna do now the marinade. And we have also for the, because we're gonna have rice for the kids, and we're gonna have corn. This is from a friend, a local friend here. So she planted corn, so she gave us free corn. And yes, so I'm gonna do now the marinade. So okay, wait. So I don't really use this one, the, what we call this, mortal and I don't know, I forgot. But because I chop it one by one, but no, now I've been using this one because it's so easy to you just put all the garlic, and so it's so easy. So I'm gonna do this. So because we have also friend will come with the wife, Thai wife. He is American with Thai wife, so we're gonna have dinner here. Actually, it was not really a plan. It's just like, okay, let's do, because since tomorrow will be their last day here. Wait. I have the meat here now, and I'm gonna put the, I'm going to put some soy sauce, and of course we have lots of calamansi, and lots of calamansi. Wait, calamansi. So this is how it looks now, and then we can add pepper, and marinate it, and then the garlic. And then mix. So okay, I'm gonna end this video here now. I don't want to take it really long. So in the next video, I'm going to show you the cooking. So okay.